Esta code exercise 9 start the annual increment of a government servant can be withheld as a penalty under the West Pakistan Government Servants bracket efficiency and discipline bracket clause rules 1960 such an order when passed will apply to the next increment falling due to the government servants in ordering the withholding of increments, the competent authority shall state the period for which it is withheld, and whether the postponement shall have the effect of postpone of future increments full stop where any bar is prescribed in a time scale, the increment next above bar shall not be given to government servants without the specific sanction of the authority empowered to withhold increments full stop. Thus, the increment at efficiency bar is automatically withheld unless a specified order is issued by the competent authority removing the bar, the record of government servant should be properly scrutinized before permission is given to cross the EB. Such permission should, in no case, be granted as matter of routine. The case of all government servants held up at the efficiency bar should be revived annual with a view to determine whether they are fit at time to cross the efficiency bar full stop. The process of such annual review will end in a conclusion one way or the other full stop in case a government servant is found fit to cross the efficiency bar, a specific sanction should be issued full stop. Similarly, in case a government servant is found not fit to cross the bar, a formal order to that effect may also be recorded so as to indicate that his case has been reviewed and he was not found fit to cross the bar full stop. This will also enable the officer to appreciate his position correctly, if, however, a government servant who is at the efficiency bar, is proceeded page against under the West Pakistan Government Servants, rules, 1960 full stop on the grounds mentioned in Rule 3, therefore, of, and it is decided to impose a penalty of withholding of an increment for a specified period not exceeding 3 years, such an order may be passed under the rules full stop on the expiry of the specified period, the government servant concerned will not automatically get the increment above the efficiency bar, unless the competent authority passes any order removing the bar on the basis of his work and conduct full stop. Thus, it is not necessary to undertake annual review during the period a government servant is stopped at any efficiency bar as a penalty comma, but thereafter annual review should be undertaken in the normal course and an order of the competent authority whether the persons should be allowed to cross the efficiency bar should be obtained full stop.